Welcome to Bike Flow. My name is Marcus and this is where we cycle the world. This is the first time we're trying on something a little bit scripted and a little bit more serious. So bear with me here because I am not used to this stuff. Because I want to introduce the videos to you in a more professional way, and I want you to be a part of the trip instead of just jumping right into it. A mile that way is the border to Wyoming. We're in the north of Colorado and we came from that way. I'm so good at this scripted stuff. Until this has become a habit, I'm kind of like, I have this little thing here on my phone where I have to go through. So, welcome to Bike Flow. This is where we cycle the world, yo. Awesome start. This little blue spot is us, okay? So let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. There we have Wyoming. You see? Very, very close to us. Very, very close. We started off the week in 𝘊𝘺�ㄖ. I'm gonna get better at this, so please don't judge. And even if you do, I don't care. We went through northern Colorado and we went through some of the highest mountains in the United States, and we went through the passes of them as well. A lot of snow. This should be the weather, you know, like this. But it hasn't been until now, so it's been a lot of snow up and down, and we don't want that. I just realized this is extremely difficult to do a voiceover unless you know what kind of footage you have. I'm gonna do the voiceover as I am editing. Welcome to voiceover, Marcus. Here I am. Let's enjoy the video, shall we? Skadoosh. We start off the week in 𝘊𝘺𝘆, Colorado. We had to filter water first thing in the morning because the climbs in northern Colorado are many. We make our way through the countryside with almost no traffic at all, and then we meet a...
What are you doing? What? What are you? What the hell?
I thought it would be easy to camp in Colorado, but the ranches are just about everywhere. Private property as far as you can see.
There was a sign down there that said post office, and I thought that I could get some water. This place doesn't have anything. It has phone. Huh, it actually works. Long time ago since I heard a dial tone. Look at this, my new tent. So it rained while I put up the tent, and I had to clean it with my towel, and now it started snowing. And it's freezing. It's very, very cold. Let's enjoy this. Very cozy. Go away. Okay, this is how far we cycled today. This is how much up we did. It was very tough. I'm very tired. And we're in bear country, and I don't want to go outside and cook my food. So I'm gonna take a risk and cook it inside my tent. I'm not scared of the black bears anymore, which is very nice. I mean, they're dangerous if you come between the mom and the cubs, or if you have food in the tent, you're gonna get visited by a black bear. And I don't want that, but I have 2 knives, pepper spray, and bear spray. I'll fuck that bear up. Marcus doesn't share food! No bears made me company that night, and the snowfall didn't stop. Hopefully this is the last we see of our Christmas white little sprinkle. We set off climbing the 𝘬𝑪 Pass, and the gradient is at the most 8 degrees, so it's not that tough, but it's tough enough to make you sweat. And the overall stretch of the pass is about 3 miles, so let's go! About 1.5 kilometers left of this. Since I went to school, I learned the British English, right? In the British English, you say kilometer, aluminium, thermometer, a bunch of different stuff. You say schedule instead of schedule, and you spell color with OU. But here in America, it's different. So from now on, I'm gonna try to say kilometer. They say K for kilo and not kilometer. So from now on, we say it correct. And we spell color OU. It's so much more beautiful. Colors are beautiful. Look at this. Is that tree green in its color or green in its color? I got an idea. I want to do something I haven't done in a long time. Moo! Moo, moo, moo. We're almost down. It's taken us half an hour. It's a very, very long downhill. Very nice, very nice. And I say, hey, yay, 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 hey, yay, yay. I said, hey, what's going on? We really enjoy these highways, don't we? Especially when there are two cars passing at the same time and we have nowhere to go. Like right now. Very nice to cycle these roads. I don't know if it matters if I wear a helmet or not. If I get hit, I die. Living on the edge, baby! Living on the edge. Caw-caw! Caw-caw, caw, caw. It's 5:30 and there's nowhere to camp. It's just private property and it looks like this all over all the time. I don't know what to do. Let's cycle until it gets dark, shall we? Now it starts. Yay, let's have another fucking storm! Look at this, what the fuck is this? Look at that. The whole bike is destroyed. I dragged it. The back wheel locked up over here. It's so full of shit. Oh. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. Let's put up camp. I saw a super small little sign that said public lands and it was all bleknad av solen. The road is right here. So we have this nice climb in the morning. It's actually nice to have a climb in the morning because it's so fucking cold in Colorado in the end of May. We have snow. Oh my god. Okay, stop complaining like a little bitch. Good morning. Next morning. It's very nice weather. We have tailwind. And I'm not gonna scare the shit out of this little thing, but hello friend. Wow. Oops. I don't want to scare you. Where are you? Can I see you? Oh, there you are. Hey. Now you know I'm a human and I didn't do anything. So you don't need to be scared of us. That's evolution. There's another one. Woohoo. Look at it go. And again, I'm out of water. It's my singing. No water, no more, no water. Okay, let's go. Whenever I ask at a ranch for water, I'm always like, do I really want to go here? Private property. Because some of them are fucking weird. Even this water, I mean, it's rainwater, but when it goes through property, it's somebody owns it. It's so fucked up. But let's get some water here. Let's get it. Pump it, baby. You don't get much out of it, but it's clean water. This is the MSR. I didn't like their tent, but I totally dig this one. Cost me about 50 bucks. Its value, priceless. That tastes good. It tastes mud. Filled up on water and ready to go to our last camping spot before we hit Wyoming. The winds are already picking up and luckily this one is tailwind. So we're very, very happy and we decide to put $8 into some local food. Marcus, where are we? We're in this little small town called Walden. It's a very, very small town. Moose Creek Cafe. Yeah, let's have something to eat. A lot of calories, very, very nice. All filled up in our tummy, very, very yummy. We continue doing the stretches of nothingness and make our way to Root National Forest. Enjoying some gravel for a minute, very sweet. We're on the lookout for a camping spot. Very nice. There was a sign over there that said no camping. Okay, camp anyway. We have a new tent, let's put it up. We're back where we started. Thank you for watching the video. I'm very happy that you did. Yeah, blood. There's some fucking shit here that's biting me. It hurts as hell. I can't see them. Anyway, I have to crouch down because I'm taller than the tripod. So if I look like Quasimodo with my hunchback, you know the reason.
You probably know that my previous tent was a shit tent, and I'm very happy I got rid of it. And then I called up 𝐁𝐽𝑪. You see? They're my partner, by the way. I called the Nordic office up and I told them about what happened to me, and they said, Marcus, we don't want you to be a cranky little bitch, so we'll pay for a new one. They supplied me with a new tent, and I'm very, very happy for it. It's not a brand that's associated with them whatsoever. They just said, pick out a tent and we'll solve it. So now I can continue cycle and stay dry. Thank you so much. Thank you, 𝐁𝐽𝑪, for believing in me and supporting me and giving me a new tent. It's awesome. It's very nice. I'm gonna do a review on this one. It's gonna be more serious than the first one I did. I'll make a lot of reviews coming up. The first one being my tent in about a week or two from now. In the future, this is where I'm going to be talking about some of the stuff that happened throughout the area. I'm going to note down what happened, and then I'm going to talk about it in the end of the vlog. And I'm going to ask you guys about what you thought about it. Leave a like if you like. Write what you think about this video in the comments, because it's a little bit different than the previous ones. We're doing voiceovers now, and we're doing it a bit serious, even though I don't look so serious. This is our little baby right here. The first video, which is more seriously made, and from here on we develop, right? We learn from our mistakes and evolve. I want to take the moment and thank my two new supporters, Ronald and Claes. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for believing in me. I know Claes have joined my Discord, and things are gonna bump up there. I'm gonna post my future routes on Discord, because this trip will be ending in November, December, and from there on we're gonna do something else, right? So we need to plan that and figure out three different routes. Probably one going down South America, one going Australia, one Southeast Asia. And I'm gonna see what we want to experience there, give a couple of examples of stuff we can do, and then you're going to be able to vote on where we're going. More about this in a future episode, which is going to be dedicated to this. The point is that in the future, you're going to be the ones deciding where we're going, because I'm not cycling alone. You're cycling with me. So wherever I'm going, and you're the decision makers of what we're going to do at those different places. So if you haven't already, please join the Discord server. It's in the description down below. Leave a like if you like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe. That's how you will get more videos. I will be starting releasing 1 to 2 videos every week. We're doing reviews. See you next week. SKADOOSH!